At this point, you already understand how Python reads text files and CSV files. Now let's talk about JSON. JSON is still text. When Python opens a JSON file, it doesn't immediately see objects or structured records. It sees raw characters, curly braces, quotes, colons, commas, just text. The structure only becomes meaningful after we parse it. So again, the real task is not just reading the file, the real task is converting JSON text into structured Python objects. I am working in VS Code and I have this sales.json file in my project folder. Now let's write a Python program to handle this JSON file. To work with JSON, we first import the built-in JSON module. Now we open the file using with open in read mode. We use the json.load function to pass the JSON text inside the file. This function converts JSON text into a Python data structure. After this step, data becomes a list. Each element inside the list is a dictionary, and each dictionary represents one sale. Now let's loop through the records. Each record is a dictionary. We can access values using keys. Just like CSV files, JSON data can also contain missing values. In our example, one product has a null price. In Python, null becomes none, so we validate before performing calculations. This skips invalid records and prevents runtime errors. Now we calculate the total sale. When we run this program, we see product names and their total sales printed on the screen. Now instead of printing results, let's store them. We create a new list to hold process records. Inside the loop, we append structured results. After processing all records, we write the clean data into a new file. Let's understand this. Write mode starts with a fresh file. json.dump method writes Python data as JSON text. Indent is equal to 4 formats the output for readability. When we run the program, it creates a new file called salesreport.json. If we open it, we see structured output. Each record contains product and total sale. Now suppose we want to add a new record without deleting existing data. JSON doesn't support direct append mode like CSV. So we follow three steps. Read the existing file, modify the data, and write it back. Here we load the existing JSON data, we add a new dictionary to the list, and we write everything back to the file. Nothing is overwritten unintentionally, we are in full control of the update. Now let's see when to use write versus update in JSON. We use write mode when creating a new file and regenerating the entire output. For updates, read the file first, modify the data in memory, and write the updated data back. JSON requires careful handling because the entire structure must remain valid. In this video, we handled a JSON file from start to finish. We opened and parsed JSON safely, converted JSON text into Python objects, validated missing values, performed calculations, wrote structured output to a new JSON file, and updated the file by reading, modifying, and writing again. In the next video, we will learn Python error handling. Thanks for watching. I am Aksa Zafar, and on MLTude, I teach data science and machine learning in a simple step-by-step way. Practice a little and I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTude for more AI and machine learning tutorials.